Hello, I'm Gene Pasquini with ChamberWare. What I'd like to do now is show you how you can use the new email form from the report screen. So let's select that now, and here's the report screen that you're familiar with. Let's use this join date report that was already selected. If we double click it, of course, we see the preview, and we see that we have 5 members that joined in this month. So if we saw this report and said, gee, I sure like to send these members an email, we can easily do that. We just select the email button over here, and this button sends a broadcast email to the members selected in this report. So you can use any report in the whole system that shows members' names and use this button with them, and it'll send just those members that are in that report an email. So we'll press that now, and that brings up the email form, and those 5 members are selected as recipients. So let's go ahead and open a file. This one here comes with ChamberWare. It's the data sheet that you can send to your members. Basically it asks, do we have the correct information, and if not, please reply to this email and let us know. Also, we have a feature that allows you to save the built-in subject line. We have this, and all we have to do now is press send, and out it goes. So it sent those emails over to Outlook. Let's take a look, and here they are. And notice that it uses the merge field, Eugene, but it says hi Gene here, and then it put in the chamber name. So we have that information here, and it's specific to your chamber. And it lists all this information, and your member can go over it, and if they have any changes that they'd like you to make, they can just send you an email, let you know. Okay, so let's close those. And just keep in mind that this feature works with any report. For instance, here's a report, join month detail for a month, and we have February selected here. So let's double click that, and we see here's all the members that joined the chamber in February. So now we have 7, and if we close that and press the email button, then we have an email ready to go for those 7 members. Okay, let's close that now. One of the new features I really like in Visual ChamberWare is this search button here. Now that over 200 reports and queries come with ChamberWare, it makes memorizing the names a little bit more difficult. So here we can just search for anything. I'll just show you this feature here. We're searching for join date here, and it lists the 2 reports that have join date in their name. Of course, if we just put join, then we have a bunch more. So we can search like that, and we can find reports that have almost anything in them. For instance, if we search for columns, and then you can find all the reports that list members with columns. If you double click on the report name, it takes you right to that report, and we can take a look at it here, and these comes out in columns like it is. This one has 2 columns, the other one had 3, and we can find basically any report in the system like this, dues, and we can see these different reports here. Scroll through the list, and you can select the one that you like. Let's go to the dues forecast summary. It's right there. Double click it, and you got it. So this is a report here that just reports numbers, not member names. But the report right above it lists members by their next billing date, so you can have a date in here. We have these 4 members that have next billing date within the report dates, and if we wanted to send them an email, press that, and we get the 4 members here, and we can send them an email. Next thing we'll do is take a look at how to send an invoice by email.